Winter is here. The air is crisp and the snow is falling. It's a magical time of year, but it also brings its own set of challenges. Time for cozy nights and delicious meals. There's nothing like gathering around a warm fireplace with loved ones, sharing stories and laughter. Food keeps us warm inside. A hot bowl of soup or a steaming stew can make all the difference on a cold winter's night. But winter can be expensive, heating bills go up, and holiday shopping adds up quickly. It's easy to feel the pinch in your wallet. We need to be smart about food costs. Planning meals and shopping wisely can help stretch your budget further. That doesn't mean boring food. With a little creativity, you can make exciting and nutritious meals that everyone will love. We can eat well on a budget. By choosing affordable ingredients and cooking together, we can create delicious dishes without overspending. Simple recipes can be very tasty. Sometimes the best meals are the ones that are easy to prepare and use just a few ingredients. Let's make a delicious winter meal without breaking the bank. With a bit of planning and creativity, we can enjoy the season to the fullest. Our pantries hold the key to budget cooking. With just a few simple ingredients, we can create delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Dried beans, lentils, rice, pasta, these are our friends. They are versatile, nutritious, and can be the base for countless recipes. They last a long time and cost less than fresh ingredients. Stocking up on these staples ensures we always have something to cook, even on the tightest of budgets. Spices add flavor without costing much. They transform simple dishes into something extraordinary. A pinch of this, a dash of that, and suddenly our food is exciting. Experimenting with different spices can bring new life to old recipes. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, these are your flavor boosters. They are essential for adding depth and complexity to your dishes. With these pantry staples, cooking becomes an adventure. Let's make a delicious lentil soup. This hearty and nutritious dish is perfect for warming up on a chilly evening. Not only is it easy to prepare, but it's also packed with flavor and nutrients. It's easy, filling, and perfect for cold nights. Imagine gathering around the table with your loved ones, sharing a steaming bowl of this comforting soup. It's a meal that brings people together. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon paprika. These simple ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors. The paprika adds a subtle smokiness that enhances the overall taste of the soup. You'll need 1 cup of brown lentils, rinsed, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. The lentils provide a hearty texture, while the broth infuses the soup with rich, savory flavors. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings are essential for bringing out the flavors of the other ingredients. Instructions: start by heating the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. This will be the base for sautéing your vegetables. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Cook them until they are softened and fragrant, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in the garlic powder, dried thyme, cumin, and paprika. Let the spices cook for about 1 minute to release their aromas. Then, add the rinsed lentils and vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. This allows the lentils to cook through and the flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, season the soup with additional salt and pepper if needed. Serve it hot with a side of crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy this warm, comforting meal with your family and friends. Section 4. Smart shopping for savvy cooks. Saving money on groceries is easy. Plan your meals ahead of time. Make a list and stick to it. Don't shop when you're hungry. Buy in bulk when you can. Compare prices at different stores. Look for sales and coupons. Every little bit helps. Section 5. Enjoy! More recipes await. There you have it. A delicious and budget-friendly winter meal. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy delicious food all season long. For more budget-friendly recipes, visit my website or watch my show.